The old dealer's shuffle with the dirt there.
What's up, pond people? We got another exciting build for you guys today. So we're going to be turning what is currently this fire pit gathering area with all this little white pebble here into a 7x10 pond with a 5-foot stream. So first we got to clear out these pebbles and get them out of our way so we can get this pond dug out. Got to expose the dirt underneath. Brad is thinking this blue basket's kind of getting in his way, so he's going to shift it, but I catch everything on camera. He's like, did I get seen? Yes, you did. And just like that, we've gone from 3 guys digging to 4 guys digging now that Darren the McLaren's out here helping out. Braden and Chente doing a little specific hole digging here because we're actually going to route/hide the plumbing under these wooden beams here. And while they finish that up, Brad's going to go ahead and knock out this biofalls faster than Mike Tyson would knock you out if you insulted his mama. And then out of nowhere, everyone's getting the giggles. Here's Braden having a good time using his pelvis to dig. And then I pan over to Brad, and Brad starts smiling too. I don't know what he's laughing about, but everyone's having a good time today. We like to keep the spirits nice and light, but you always want to maintain a proper ratio of laughter to digging holes. You know, you can't have too much laughter, not enough digging holes, or too much digging holes and not enough laughter. Here's a nice little time lapse of all the digging we did in the first day. I was able to speed everything up except Chente. Chente's actually still moving in normal speed here in this clip. Everyone else and everything else is actually sped up though. Day 2 of the build, and the guys planned ahead for a little bit of rain, a little bit of drizzle, so they went ahead and set up this canopy here to keep our pond site clean and clear of water, and also themselves. They don't want to get rained on, you know, so they're able to get the rest of the hole dug out, and they went ahead and put the underlayment and liner in there, and they are rocking this thing like crazy fast. Now I had a little assistance on these next clips here. Darren pretty much filmed the rest of the build. Chente's going to go ahead and show a little dominance by gently placing a rock near his foot. That's just how Chente does things, so you got to get used to that. Now we normally have a pry bar for something like this, but maybe it got left on another vehicle. I'm uncertain, but Chente is going to go ahead and use his Chente strength here to get that rock moved up onto the ball cart, while Brad is getting the skimmer door done. Still happy, still loving the attitude he's bringing to work right now. And then Braden is going to go ahead and smash what appears to be meatloaf. Nope, it is a rock. That is not meatloaf. So he's going to smash that and do a little customization there by hitting it some more times. But you know what? There's an art and a science to all of this. So I'm sure that rock turned out perfect and exactly the way he wanted. You can see the stream up top there really starting to take shape. So this pond is coming together well. Brad is doing a little bulkhead fitting work. There's a super secret surprise that you guys will learn about soon enough, but we need this bulkhead fitting for a pipe. And like I said, you will see why, but Brad is making it look pretty nice, pretty sleek. Now Braden is engaging in like a 40-day, 40-night battle with this tree trunk right now. He's trying to trim it exactly the way he wants, but this core is a lot tougher than he thought. So he's going to give you a thumbs up like it wasn't that hard, like he's having a good time of it, but you and I both know that was kind of a battle. And now he's going to carry this tree trunk like he's showing it off at show and tell. Look at how proud he is. He's going to go ahead and place that down in the stream. Again, you will get to see how this beauty turned out a little bit later. But Braden worked hard on that like you saw, so he's got every right to be proud. And let's get another one of those trademark thumbs up. Love it. And here's where a lot of the main part of the pond gets fully, completely done. If you've got a little eagle eye-ness going on right now, you can probably spot what the special surprise is. And in this next clip after the time lapse, you're going to see exactly what Brad was doing that bulkhead fitting for. And it turns out pretty special. So the guys are finishing up, getting a couple of the plants put in there now. And here it is. We got a fire hydrant going in this thing. And then Braden makes a comment about foaming the inside, and I think Darren connects the two, fire hydrant and inside, and he's like, I gotta get inside that thing. So here we are inside the fire hydrant until we realize the dark is a little scary, so we leave. Nice clip of Chente getting some more of those plants in there, but Darren is like a bounty hunter for thumbs up. He's getting it whether you like it or not, so here he is getting another thumbs up from Chente.
Got Blake doing some classic digging work. The old dealer's shuffle with the dirt there.
And then minus mulching, this thing is just about done. So we're gonna bring the homeowner out here and we're gonna let her turn it on for the very first time. And you guys will get to see some of that live reaction to that. And then we'll of course do our pond montage, our little pondage, if you will. So stick around for that, but I hope you guys enjoy it.
Braden, we good?
We're good.
Plug it in. Blake, we good?
Let's do it.
Let's do
All
it.
right,
Let's do it.
just plug it in, first time. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Love it. Love that.
I like how it splits. That's so cool.
I love that we did the fire hydrant.
I did
That's
too.
such a good
I mean,
idea.
I'm like, that is perfect.
All right, guys, so we've come back a couple of days after our final day of building, and you can see how much clearer that the water's gotten. But this build has turned out really great. I didn't get to help much on it, but the guys have given me a lot of info about what went on here. So you can see the fire hydrant is kind of the big highlight of this feature. It's a really creative, cool thing we got to do on this one. One of the homeowners is actually a former fireman. Incorporating the fire hydrant was a really cool aspect we got to add to this. So the way we did that was we actually have a pipe running up under the fire hydrant, and we foamed all of the space around the pipe up until it gets to that outlet point right there, and it's pouring out there. It was really awesome to be able to incorporate all these plants. Putting plants in a feature like this so quickly after it's done just makes it look like it's been here even longer. And you can see all of the little plants we incorporated all over this feature along with the moss. It's become part of our routine almost to incorporate wood and moss into our features that we find from the surrounding wood areas. So we pretty much have moss all over these rocks. It's hard to find a spot or a crack that doesn't have moss sitting in it. And we've got some good wood features here over by the skimmer and up along the stream itself. And this has got a good depth to it as far as features go. A good amount of room for the koi to grow into it, which is gonna be great. And what I really love about it is how thick the stream is. A lot of times with these ponds, or with any pond, a problem you get into is making your streams too skinny. Especially relative if you have like a 10-foot stream and you have a ginormous feature and you just have this little trickle of water going into it. It looks a little funny sometimes, but with this one, we've got a nice thick stream coming off. You can see how much volume of water is coming off of that and coming into this pond, and they just fit together proportionally really well. So really happy about how this whole feature turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our TikTok account, check out our Instagram account. You can find tons more pond content on there. Whether you need information about ponds or you just want to see more build videos, clean outs, whatever it is, it's all on our YouTube, on our TikTok. You'll be able to find it all there. So thank you guys for sticking to the end, and we'll see you on the next one.